Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling stressed about money or simply want to take control of your financial future? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. Welcome everyone, Noah here. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that touches every aspect of our lives but is rarely taught in schools: personal finance. This isn't just about numbers and spreadsheets. It's about freedom, security, and understanding how to make your money work for you. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to retire comfortably, understanding personal finance is crucial. So, stick around, because this video could be the first step towards changing your financial future. Let's get started. What is personal finance? Personal finance, as the name suggests, is all about managing your money. But it's not just about how much you earn or spend. It's about understanding your financial goals, making informed decisions, and planning for the future. The first key component of personal finance is income. This is the money you earn from your job, business, or other sources. It's the starting point of your financial journey and determines how much you can save or invest. Next, we have expenses. These are the costs you incur in your daily life, such as rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. It's essential to track your expenses to understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. The third component is savings. This is the portion of your income that you set aside for future use. Savings can help you handle unexpected expenses, achieve your financial goals, and provide a safety net in case of emergencies. Finally, we have investments. This is where you put your money to work for you. Investments can be in the form of stocks, bonds, real estate, or any other assets that have the potential to grow over time. In essence, personal finance is a balancing act between these four components. It's about maximizing your income, minimizing your expenses, increasing your savings, and making smart investments. By managing these aspects effectively, you can achieve financial stability and work towards your financial goals. Why personal finance matters. Understanding and managing your personal finance can have a profound impact on your life. Good personal finance habits can lead to financial freedom, reduce stress, and open up opportunities for you. When you manage your money effectively, you're not just saving for the sake of saving. You're working towards your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. You're also prepared for life's uncertainties, with savings set aside for emergencies. But don't just take our word for it. Let's look at some statistics that highlight the importance of personal finance. According to a survey by the American Psychological Association, 72% of Americans reported feeling stressed about money at least some of the time in the past month. A report by the Federal Reserve found that nearly 40% of American adults wouldn't be able to cover a $400 emergency with cash, savings, or a credit card charge that they could quickly pay off. A study by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that those who received financial education had a higher rate of savings, were more likely to invest in stocks, and managed their credit better. These statistics underscore the importance of personal finance. It's not just about having more money. It's about having security, reducing stress, and having the freedom to make choices that can enhance your quality of life. The consequences of neglecting personal finance. Neglecting personal finance can lead to a host of problems. The most immediate one is debt. Without a clear understanding of your income and expenses, it's easy to spend more than you earn and fall into debt. This can lead to a vicious cycle where you're constantly trying to pay off your debts, only to accrue more. Another consequence is financial insecurity. Without savings or investments, you may find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, with no safety net for emergencies. This can lead to constant stress and worry about money. Let's consider some real-life examples. John, a college graduate, started his first job with a good salary. However, due to poor money management and a lack of budgeting, he found himself in credit card debt within a year. He was constantly worried about paying off his debt and had no savings for emergencies. On the other hand, Janie, who earned a similar salary, followed good personal finance practices. She budgeted her expenses, saved a portion of her income, and invested wisely. As a result, she was able to buy a house within a few years and had a substantial emergency fund. These examples highlight the importance of personal finance. It's not just about money, but about your peace of mind and financial freedom. Basic principles of personal finance. Managing personal finance might seem daunting, but it can be boiled down to a few basic principles. 1. Budgeting. This is the cornerstone of personal finance. It's about understanding your income and expenses and planning how to allocate your money. A good budget can help you avoid overspending and ensure that you're saving enough. 2. Saving. The rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income. However, the exact amount may vary depending on your financial goals and circumstances. The key is to make saving a habit, no matter how small the amount. 3. Investing. Saving alone is not enough. To grow your wealth, you need to invest. This could be in stocks, bonds, real estate, or any other assets that can provide a return on investment. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. 4. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to spread the risk. This means investing in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. 5. Emergency fund. Always have an emergency fund. This is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. A good rule of thumb is to have enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. 6. Avoiding debt. While some debt can be beneficial, such as a mortgage for a home, it's important to avoid high-interest debt, like credit card debt. If you do have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. These principles are not hard and fast rules, but guidelines to help you manage your personal finance effectively. Tips for good personal finance management. Managing your personal finances effectively can seem like a daunting task, but with these practical tips, you can take control of your financial future. 1. Set financial goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve financially. This could be buying a house, saving for retirement, or paying off debt. Having clear goals can motivate you to manage your money better. 2. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. It can help you understand where your money is going and ensure that you are living within your means. 3. Save regularly. Make saving a habit. Even if it's a small amount, regular savings can add up over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account to make it easier. 4. Invest wisely. Investing can help your money grow over time. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and to diversify your investments. 5. Avoid unnecessary debt. While some debt can be beneficial, such as a mortgage for a home, it's important to avoid high-interest debt, like credit card debt. If you do have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. 6. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. 7. Continually educate yourself. The world of personal finance is constantly changing. Stay informed about the latest financial news and trends and continually educate yourself about financial management. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent improvements over time. So, start today, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier financial future. Conclusion. In conclusion, personal finance is a crucial aspect of our lives that impacts our financial stability, stress levels, and future opportunities. We've discussed what personal finance is, why it matters, the consequences of neglecting it, its basic principles, and some practical tips for managing it effectively. Remember, personal finance is not just about money, but about freedom, security, and peace of mind. It's about making informed decisions today that will shape your tomorrow. So, we encourage you to start paying attention to your personal finances. Start budgeting, start saving, start investing, and most importantly, start learning. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your personal finance tips or experiences in the comments below. Remember, every step you take towards managing your personal finance is a step towards a better future. So start today. That's it for today, folks. Stay tuned for more informative videos on personal finance. Until then, take care and happy budgeting.